Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you do?
Bad bitch, if she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Fuck go and we straight to the store shit. 2 small things just to take you out real quick. 3 more hoes, pull up, I'm fucking shit. That's how it goes. Baby, I'm coming straight. Bad bitch, if she do what I say so. Big 40s in a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go. Order a buffalo, not a blueberry fago. Fuck go and we straight to the store shit. 2 small.
Hey guys, it's your girl Zay, Joy here. Welcome if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to the gang. As you guys can see from the title, I'm trying to U-part wig from Unice Hair. Thank you guys from Unice Hair for sponsoring this YouTube video. I love this U-part wig. It is 16 inches and it is in body wave. I think if my natural hair would have blended a little bit better, this would have been so cute, but it's still super cute, and I added wand curls in here. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. When you first get your U-part wig, it's going to have 2 pieces along the side to hold the U together. Inside we have 2 clips up front, 2 clips in the middle, and then we have a clip on the back. And I don't know if it's just me, but these U-part wigs tend to be a little like loose, so I'm gonna put it on the tightest setting with these adjustable straps in the back.
She said that she like on my eyelid. This life I gotta appreciate. Remember the time I ain't had this. But when they see me in a mansion, tell me that they probably ain't hard to demonstrate. Honestly, I'm really just rapping. One grandma got face and they love me. One grandma got haters, they hate me. They say that this nigga fucking nerd. Wouldn't wanna see me lately. Wonder why they bitch wanna date me. Wonder why they cannot escape me. Wonder why some goofy nigga on the internet richer than them with brace teeth. Fuck with you, I'm gon' fuck it up. Get in rankings, I pop with my boss. Say you want me, then you out of love. Baby girl, you out of love. Social never on the club. Like a whore, invite me to the club. But your sexy don't wanna chop me, girl. Nah, that ain't enough. Fuck with you, I'm gon' fuck it up. Get in rankings, I fuck with my balls. Say you want me, then you out of love. Baby girl, you out of love. Social never on the club. Like a whore, invite me to the club. But your sexy don't wanna chop me, girl. Nah, that ain't enough. Swear, no chain quick. Some niggas gotta keep that blade, can't control. If you broke, I'm born rich. If you in that situation, nigga, deal with it. Pop, bitch, you ain't make that clear. Nigga, see, little take on these skin, they clear. Rewind a few times on the floor real quick. For that shit, nigga, I was known for this. You immature and I'm grown with it. But this young nigga, bro, get so with it. Niggas will accuse you, I know. Just city close when you blown shit. Nigga, got some regardless, who cares? Fuck your opinion, don't care what you hear. It's big boys, BB Simmons on my gas. Bitch, but ain't game on me, hit from the red. B gon' broke, he got what I fed. Thank God she blessed me, nigga, no luck. And I'm on my grind like some motherfucking trucks. I got the sauce, you can't touch, no. I left a movie the way they be acting. She said that she like on my eyelid. This life I gotta
Completely just because my hair is not gonna blend that straight. So now I'm about to add some wand curls into the hair because this hair is a body wave hair. It is a body wave texture, and I did try to straighten it one time before, but you know, it's not professionally straightened or naturally straightened. I think it'd be best if I just go ahead and, you know, do what I do best and curl it. I think it'd blend a little bit better. But
on me, bad bitch want back, and you know she throw that ass on me. I don't want that girl cause she want me, cause the cash on me. Yeah, you know she capping on me, dreadlock that cap on me. Back then they napped on me, now they all
like the narco.
narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Cut dope. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo.
Y'all, I'm loving this. Doesn't this look super cute? I definitely think the edges part is not giving what it was supposed to give completely, but this is cute. I'm loving it. Y'all, I barely have any space on this memory card, but my leave out is not giving, but this is so cute. OMG, I'm loving this. Like, yeah, the edges just need to be fixed a little.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?